Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel for a new recipe. Today I'm sharing with you a hearty and delicious soup, so quick and easy to make that in 30 minutes you will have a comforting and full of flavors meal. This recipe ticks all the boxes as it's low in calories, vegetarian and gluten-free. Two tablespoons of olive oil. 200 grams or a can of chickpeas rinsed and drained. 1 onion thinly diced. 3 garlic cloves minced and 1 teaspoon of ginger paste. 1 teaspoon of salt. Half a teaspoon of black pepper. 1 teaspoon of paprika. 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. Half a teaspoon of coriander powder. 400 grams or 1 can of plum tomatoes that are blended. 2 large sweet potatoes peeled and cut into small cubes. 200 grams of dry split red lentils rinsed and drained. 1.2 liters of vegetable stock. 1 tablespoon of thinly chopped coriander. And a handful of mixed seeds to garnish. Add the olive oil in a large hot pan and add the onion, garlic and ginger. Sauté for 3 minutes. Add the salt, black pepper, cumin powder, paprika, coriander powder, add the sweet potatoes, the chickpeas, add the lentils and mix everything well for 3 minutes. Then add the blended plum tomatoes and stir a few minutes. Add the vegetable stock and stir a little bit. Cover and let it cook on low heat for 20 to 30 minutes or until the sweet potatoes are cooked. Taste the soup and adjust the seasoning if needed. When the soup is cooked, transfer 3 large scoops of the soup into a blender and process until smooth. Stir it back into the soup and mix well. Then serve the soup garnished with chopped coriander and mixed seeds. Et voilà, the soup is now ready to be served. If you prefer a more liquidy soup, add a little bit of hot water and check the seasoning. This soup is so velvety and so tasty with a little crunch from the seeds. Bon appétit! If you like the video, like and share with your family and friends. And before you leave, click on the subscribe button if you haven't done it yet. It's completely free. Hit the bell to receive notification and leave me a comment about the video or what you would like me to cook in the next video. Thanks for watching and I will see you next time with new recipes.